In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data from your desktop and transition it to an online platform. Navigating these tasks can feel like a daunting process, but with a little guidance, we'll have you up and running smoothly in no time. Let's begin by addressing what exactly you need to export. Your data, which might include critical information like customer details, financial records, or inventory lists, often resides on software on your desktop. Moving this data to an online platform helps you access it from anywhere, streamline operations, and possibly integrate with new tools. The good news is you have two primary pathways to accomplish this, using Intuit's migration tool or importing manually. Starting with Intuit's migration tool, this option is typically more straightforward. The tool is designed to automate much of the heavy lifting, making the transition smoother. To start, ensure that you have a stable internet connection and that your data is backed up just in case. Launch the Intuit migration tool and follow the prompts. The tool will guide you through selecting which data you want to shift. This might be presented in steps, where you choose files or data categories, ensuring you only migrate what is necessary. It's an intuitive process, yet it's always helpful to pay close attention to options so you don't miss out on any crucial details. Take note of any specific instructions on naming files or folders. This small attention to detail can spare you from headaches later on. Alternatively, if you prefer more control or if the migration tool doesn't accommodate your needs, you might opt for a manual import process. This is a bit more hands-on, but allows for a tailored approach. Start by exporting your data files from the desktop application you are using. Usually you can find an option in the software's file menu labeled Export or Save As. Ensure that you save these files in a widely accepted format like CSV or Excel spreadsheets, which can be universally recognized by many online platforms. Once exported, log into your online account where you intend to move the data. Most platforms offer an import or upload feature within their settings or under the data management section. Use this feature to bring your saved files into the new system. As a word of advice, after completing your data migration using either method, it's wise to verify everything has transferred as expected. Check the numbers and details and ensure nothing looks out of place. This simple check can save you from discrepancies later on. And there you have it, whether you go with the migration tool or the manual import, transitioning your data from desktop to online is entirely manageable. Thanks for watching, and happy exporting!